6-liter vortec gas 2007 Chevy 2500 here. The back exhaust manifold bolt, it broke off, and the manifold started leaking, ticking noise. You lose performance and it sounds not good. It sounds like an old clunker. I removed this bolt first and started getting it loose, but I cranked it too hard and it was not heated up enough. So these next two bolts, I got them out, and you can see it's very rusty. It's got salt up in here and it's been rusted. First thing is putting penetrating oil all over the bolt and scraping off multiple times, letting it soak and scraping off all the rust so you can put your socket on there nice and clean without it spinning or ripping that rust first. After that, heating up this bolt on the head as much as you can, really hot, until it's pretty much red hot. Won't look red hot, but you'll see it kind of dry up. And then right after that, try and heat up around the block. Watch out for the gasket here and try and keep away from the spark plug. After that, get your 1/2-inch socket. Black ones are always good if it's the heavy duty kind. You don't want it stripping. And putting it on here and have an extension and tap it on with a hammer. This, tap it on with a hammer. After it's seated good, you can go up to the top, sit on the top of the engine on your knees, on the radiator, put your wrench in, and slowly inch it until you feel it move a little bit, and slowly bring it back, inch it again, and slowly keep inching it, and then you finally feel it start to come loose and free, and then you can start loosening it and you know it won't break off. After that, it comes out like a 1/4 inch. You can get an impact gun and take it right out. And then get some grade 8 bolts to replace these ones. Those ones are gonna have to be extracted. Might be able if I script that one there, and probably have to weld this one. It's pretty much flush with the head there, which isn't a problem.